Okay, so here we have the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard for the 9.7-inch iPad Pro. It doesn't specifically say, well, on the front it didn't, but here it is on the back. It says made for iPad Pro 9.7-inch. Let's get this open. This is a very small box. All right. So here we have our documentation, legal, and a little pull tab here. And here's the keyboard. Wow, this is very light, very light. So on the inside we have this nice soft felt. You can see the 3-pin connection here that connects to your iPad Pro. Fold this open. And here is the keyboard. Okay. This actually has pretty good key travel, better than I thought it would. The keyboard did need to be cramped down a little bit to make it fit. The 9.7-inch iPad Pro. Let's get this connected to the 9.7-inch iPad. Okay, so let's see how easy this is. Snapped on very easily, sits down, and here we have our keyboard. Let's just do a quick Safari search for images by Nathan.com. All right, so we've got the website pulled up. And we'll just do a test of the keyboard. This is very nice. I think I'll be happy with the key travel and spacing in between each key. Well, there you have it. That seems like it will work very nicely, and we'll give you a little more of our thoughts here later on. A few other things to mention here. You can see on the keyboard is not backlit, and you're not going to have your shortcuts up top here for searching, volume, brightness. You know, it would have been really nice had Apple been able to fit that in. I might recommend that you wait for third-party accessories for the keyboards, namely the Logitech Create keyboard. Logitech produced an extremely good keyboard for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Here with the 9.7-inch, it did not make the cut. So hopefully Logitech will have an announcement on that soon. So there we have it. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe.